Hello, we are Incredibles. How are you?
Yeah, great.
So we have done our course in the last activity. How you felt about doing that code? Did you feel doing it to work? Like share your experience, how you felt after doing those code activities.
Yeah,
Himaji.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay. Felt amazing because I got clarity, but when I wrote down N codes, it felt very heavy inside. Oh, I'm thinking like that. I'm thinking like that. But it's okay. It's really breakthrough where I'm stuck. Why I'm not moving. Look forward and why my growth is stopped because my anchor is in between in my mind. So that definitely I got clarity day by day, but it's really felt very heavier. When I burn it, I felt lighter inside because
Yes.
I remove. Physically I remove and also mentally I remove slowly and slowly. I will be.
Definitely. And
Yeah,
we are going to do that only,
yeah,
you
yeah.
know. So Nadeem ji, tell me about your experience and share how you are feeling about it.
yeah. I came to know, I realized that, so many encodes I was carrying in my life. That's where I'm not happy in certain areas of my life. That's where I'm not able to do certain areas of my life. So after realizing I need to change, uh, so no, it's a good experience. Yes, sir.
So, and when you did this activity, you might have got your encodes, and along with that, the system also gives you a system generated e-codes for you.
Yes, yes.
Have you gone through that?
Yeah, yeah.
So our next activity is that you have to convert those e-codes into s- own your own e-codes. You know, it's very important to own something.
Yes.
Like for example, I'll give you a child wants a chocolate, right? And if you give him the chocolate, he feels happy. Okay, fine. Nothing important about
Right,
it.
right.
The importance when comes when I ask him, okay, you finish your homework in half an hour, and then you will get the chocolate. The kind of excitement that it will develop in his mind, and the way he will do it, and then when we'll give the chocolate, he will think that he has earned it and he owns it, he possesses it. So uh, with this, like I'll give you 2 minutes of time to change those computer generated e-codes into your own e-codes so that we can feel it and own it. So can we
Ashaji,
do that?
Ashaji, can I just ask one question?
Yeah,
Suppose if my mother asks me to do homework and
yeah.
then she'll give the chocolate, I will not do the homework. I mean,
You will.
it all depends on how you are changing your code, right?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
That's why I'm asking you to change the computer generated
Okay.
e-codes
Yeah.
into your own e-codes so that you get those feelings. Because you know, when child will get the chocolate after doing the homework, the feeling will be attached. Yes, I got it because I finished my work.
Understood. Understood. Just
Right?
I'm sharing.
Before
Yeah.
that, he will not get it.
Yeah. Right.
So that's why I'll give you 2 minutes of time.
Sure.
So you convert your computer generated e-codes into your own e-codes. Okay. So welcome back. You have, I think, converted your system generated e-codes into your own e-codes.
Yes.
Did you feel the difference while doing it?
Yeah. Absolutely. It looks like I'm reading some book, but when I change it into my own language, the language which I can understand, my mind can understand. So now it looks like it's my own.
Yes,
Okay, I created my own e-code, and
correct.
so I'll become more powerful when I read this.
Definitely. So I want you to read your system generated e-code, and but along with that, when you read your own written e-codes with more power, with more passion. So we as an audience should feel that passion in you. Got it?
Yeah.
So please go ahead, share your e-codes.
Can I? Hemaji?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yes, up.
Yeah, I'm just reading my own e-codes, right?
Okay, right.
I'm the creator of my own destiny. So now, when I read this, I become more powerful. I feel that, the destiny is in my hands. I am the money magnet. So I can feel that I'm attracting money in my life. Selling is serving. So when I wrote this, I was thinking, I'm not a good salesman. I need a marketing team to sell it. So I don't have marketing. I used to feel powerless. Now when I change it into selling is service, so I love to do a lot of service. So I'm going and doing service to people by selling my own products. Okay, and I'm always present. So I was stuck up either in the past or in the future. Now I'm in the present. I'm enjoying every moment of my life. It's very, I'm feeling happy. I'm lovable what I am. So I don't care whether people love me or don't love me. I start loving myself.
Very important.
Okay, so I'm feeling good about it. I'm, I'm curious, excited about new opportunities. So whatever opportunity I'm getting, I'm curious and jumping into that and trying to work on it. So my life has become so powerful.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to you to feel that.
Yes.
You know, when you wrote it in your own words, you felt it from inside.
So can you
So
feel
I
my
want,
passion?
yes, I can feel the passion, you know.
Okay.
So let's clap for Nadeem ji for doing it with such a nice way. Hema ji, would you like to share your e-codes in the same way? Like I want you to read your own generated e-codes with so much of passion so that Nadeem ji and I can feel it, feel
Yes,
that passion.
yes. Yeah, my first echoed the lesson of past make me a strong. And second, yeah, or when I think it's really lighter inside. What I learned about for past that I'm thinking now till now,
Mhm.
and I will do it now. This is more power. This get more powerful inside,
Yeah.
and I'm a committed. If I'm doing something, I achieve something, so then I will commit it every day in myself, and I lead my life, and I'm a creator my own destiny. That is my own e-codes. And I like working in comfortable environment. That is my e-codes which I converted. Yeah.
Wow. So, how did you feel when you spoke
Yeah,
these
it's get
codes and converted in your own
yeah,
language?
it's get lighter inside. I get more clarity, but not one day I everything I will achieve, but really if I do practice every day, I talk every day loudly, I speak, to definitely I achieve whatever I want. And
Yes.
also I get clarity. My anchor stuck me in my life. I stop it because my encodes. I'm thinking again to again. My encodes. I'm not worthy. Yeah, I can't commit it. Yeah, I'm not take care myself. This encodes my all area which have a problem because of my encodes.
Yes.
My life not lead properly because of my encode. That is a I get clarity. When I get clarity, more clarity, I'm more committed, I'm more active in my life with
Yes.
the
That's what.
e-codes.
Mhm.
That's
That's
I
what we are going to say. That in the coming time, since we want the transformation in ourselves, we want to change our life in a positive way. The best way to do this is to practice these e-course on a daily basis. You know, it doesn't matter. Some people, sometimes I have experienced in the past also, some people say, I don't get time and I don't have time to do that. Don't worry, even if you're cooking in the kitchen, you can do it. Nadim ji, when you are going to the gym, just repeat those e-codes. And you know, as we already hearing from the last time, that practice makes a man perfect.
Yeah.
So this,
Well,
when you will practice these e-codes on a daily basis, maybe 2 times, 3 times a day, the more you practice, the more benefit you will get. Correct?
Yeah.
So practice, you know, I will tell you, when I got practiced my these e-codes when I was doing my coaching career, I used to speak these my e-codes for coaching career every day, that I'm a best coach. I will I'm going to do like I will get 5 clients every month, like that. And it really, believe me, it worked like a magic, and it will work for you too. You know, so to understand it in a much, if you want to, like, sometimes even then, sometimes something comes up in our mind, to understand in a much deeper, much deeper way, you can also do one more exercise I can suggest you, is to write an essay about yourself, if you carry those in encodes for another 15 years, you know. And second essay, write the same another essay carrying your e-codes for, and grow how you will, what you will become after 15 years. So ultimately you have to write 2 essays, one with encodes. Imagine your life with the, when you are carrying these encodes for further life, and how you will how, what kind of life you will have after 15 years. And same for the e-codes. So will you do it? And if you have any question, please ask.
yes, yes, I do it. Right now I do it. Yeah, later on I will do think more with the N codes, more with the E codes. Then I will write down
You
much.
know, when we want to bring some changes in ourselves, we have to do these activities very with cool and calm environment, with cool and calm mind. So I'm not asking you to do it now, right now. Just think about it, do it at home with very cool mindset, have a cup of tea, and then sit down. Maybe in the night when everybody has slept, you can just sit for a minute, for a few minutes, and think about it, and then write. And you don't have to write 2 or 3 lines. I want you to write at least one A4 size paper. Then the more you think, the deeper you will think, the more clarity will come about both the things. And then in the end, you know, when your both the essays will be ready, you will be able to compare yourself, that, oh my, if I'll carry this, how the things will be in after so much of time. And when you'll carry with e-course, how your life will is going to change,
Okay, I understand. I understand.
right?
Okay.
So
Thank
you
you,
can do
Asha
it
ji.
at your own comfort.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing your
Thank you. You gave me
codes.
a more clarity about
Yeah,
e-codes and code. It's really thankful you give me a
it's my pleasure. Whatever you're doing, you are doing. I'm
I
not doing anything. I'm just giving you a pathway.
you're
But
right.
you have to think deeper and you have to do it.
You're
Sure,
right.
sure.
Right?
Ashish.
So Nadeem ji, you have any query about it?
No, no, I'll do it because the more I do it,
So
the more
for doing that also, can you please appreciate yourself, applause yourself, pat
Yeah,
your shoulder that yes, we are moving ahead with our own e-codes, and
yes,
we will
you're right.
practice it every day.
sure. Thank you.
Correct?
Thank
So
you.
with this activity, we will finish our week 2, and we will be moving to week 3 activities, and we will meet after weekend, and you will feel the difference in yourself.
Sure.
Okay, so we'll
Thank
meet after weekend. Enjoy
you.
your weekend, enjoy your activities,
Take
and
care.
seriously do it. You will have fun,
Yeah.
I'm sure.